Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In today's video, I would like to unbox a package from Amy, Crystal Canvas US. I ordered 2 kits. What's unique about this very company is that all their kits are diamond painted with crystals only. Actually, this is not my first time purchasing from Crystal Canvas Art. I completed this beautiful cross from this company. I have a very detailed video review on it, and if you are interested in my overall impression about this brand, I will leave a link in the description box below. Now, let's go back to unboxing. I placed the order on the 20th of March in the evening, and I received this 2 kits on the 25th, 5 days later. I placed an order during a 30% sale on the majority of items, and I actually saved a significant amount of money. Now let's open and see what's inside. That's how the kits are packaged inside the mailbox. Let's take them out and look at the designs that I ordered. That's nice. There is also some paper for the kits not to get damaged. So here are the kits, Crystal Canvas Art Designs, and here are 2 images, a mermaid and the sun. Let's open the mermaid first. Although the size of the canvas is 40 by 50 centimeters, but it's so big that it doesn't even fit my bed table. Here it is. Glimmers, shimmers, and shines. And to tell you the truth, I am very impressed at the detailization of the design. The only thing, the face is weird. Why is it like lighter than the whole body? Oh well, maybe it will look fine. Maybe it's supposed to be this way. Not sure, but I wonder why the whole body doesn't have. I mean, the face doesn't have the same body, the same color as the body. It's like light beige versus kind of white. Oh well, but we'll see. Maybe that's how it will look good. So here is the canvas, very detailed, very amazing detailization of the face, of everything. The kit comes with 29 colors, again all of them are crystals. The size is 40 by 50 centimeters. As to the canvas, it is just a regular oilcloth, standard material that is used on the majority of AliExpress canvases. I like that the legends are located very conveniently on both sides. It is way more convenient to diamond paint to look at the colors. As to the adhesive, it is pretty sticky and it is a poured glue. And now the most interesting, how much it cost. The original price was $27. I paid $18.50, which is pretty good. Almost $10 savings. Very beautiful. I like the colors. Very nice. And look at the symbols. They are not traced in black circles, so even if I misplace the diamond, it shouldn't it should still look fine because the black circle will not be seen through. Great. Very nice, clear symbols, easily recognizable, as for instance only numbers and letters. Now, look at these amazing colors. It's a rainbow. I love it so much. Gosh, they're beautiful. I don't even want to unpackage them. You know what? Let's do this. I'm not gonna unpackage them because I do not have an ability to package the drills as beautifully as the manufacturer does. I don't know why. but I think you can see all the drills here through the plastic bag. Amazingly beautiful. I'm telling you, all colors of the rainbow. Light blue, yellow, orange, green, different shades of green, different shades of orange, yellow. Amazing. Blue, beautiful colors. Most likely I will give it away either to the daycare or I will hang it in my daughter's room. We'll see. I love it. 29 colors. Amazing, amazing. So, not to make this video too long, I'm not going to unbox the other kit. The sun, we will do it in another video. It was also on sale. Well, and I guess needless to say that, of course, the kit came with a standard set of tools, which includes wax, tray, stylus, tweezers. So thank you so much, Amy. I really love this beautiful diamond painting, and I'm really very thankful to her for giving this, for organizing this event, for running this event. 30% off. It's still going on. I checked today. It's still on. So if you want to order something, please do, because they're running out of many kits. I want to order one more, but they run out of it. But in any case, I'm really very happy with the design that I purchased, and I will start diamond painting it pretty soon. And I just wanted to give you a quick look at what I'm working on right now. This is a beaded cross stitch kit. If you follow my channel, you know I bought 2 kits, and I'm working on this one right now. 5 pages out of 23. Yahoo! This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.